Alright guys, I hope you can see me. Alright guys, quick little upload here, man. Not working on the Z today. It's cold and wet, but I wanted to get something out to you. So we're back on, I don't know, what is this, part 4 of the Copart truck build. Everything's been moving just super slow, man, but we got something done. So probably seen from what I just showed you, front of the truck and that fender has been painted. Let's go ahead and get my commentary on it, what my thoughts are on the paint job. So I got the truck back yesterday, and it looked cool. It looked good. Now, of course, I didn't want any chrome on the bumper here or the grill, so I opted to have those painted as well. This is a local guy, paints out of his house or whatever. And first impressions, the color's off a little bit. The color is off a little bit. So it seems like the chrome grill and the chrome on the chrome on the grill and the chrome on the bumper are a little different. They just seem a little lighter or a little more shiny or pearl-escent-ish. And it's a little different, you know what I'm saying? So it looks cream or something. I don't know. The camera probably is picking it up really well. It's kind of subtle in person, but I can tell the difference. You know, from the truck itself to this, it just looks. I don't know, and I'm unsure if the guy primered the bumper, because he was saying that, you know, chrome isn't supposed to be painted. You know, it could peel off and all that kind of stuff like that. But I feel like if you sand the chrome down really well, primer it, then sand the primer down, it should look the same. It shouldn't be much of a difference. It shouldn't look like there's chrome under there. But hey, it was a cheap little job, just something to get it painted and everything. I'm not upset about it or disappointed. You know, it just doesn't. It looks a little off. Just being honest. Looking at it in daylight, it's pretty gloomy outside. It looks pretty much calm. It looks pretty off. So yeah, I was interrupted, but it just looks a little off. Let's go over here to the fender here. If you compare of course this panel gap is still here, but if you compare the fender, this fender was painted to the hood here, which is a hood off of a Yukon. It doesn't look that much different, to be honest with you. I think he blended this, possibly. It doesn't look that bad. Let's go to the fender, to the door. It's not super different here either, but it is a weird color, silver birch metallic. But here, the hood, this hood, like I said, is used. I don't know. It just, as a whole, stepping back, it just looks strange. So I don't know if he primered this and then painted, or maybe he did, but I feel like he didn't. But, you know, either way, it's not that bad. I think the thing right now that's really sticking out to me are the headlights. So I was waiting. I wasn't even going to get those right now. The black housing. So, you know, of course I got the signal lights here. Those are black housing. But I was going to wait on these to get that done. But now, you know, I'm driving the truck every day. Something might need to be done. And I'm not sure. I'm going to have to go and get the black housing headlights. I think that'll make it look a lot better. As well as eventually getting a different hood or fixing that hood, getting the line and everything. Tint the windshield, getting a new windshield, then tint the windshield, then tint the whole truck, wheels and tires, fog lights to go down there. Yeah, we gotta get all that, man, just to, you know, really make use of the paint job and make it look better. But it's not a bad job. Like I said, man, it looks good for the most part. It just looks strange a little bit to me. Seeing it painted, the color sometimes looks a little weird. Looks like there's chrome under there, but overall, that's kind of the scheme I wanted. No more chrome on the front, and we're gonna have to get rid of those headlights. I think those are the worst things on there right now. That's really just screwing up the whole look. It makes it look older. But let me go get the keys and show you guys what it looks like with the lights on. All right, so let me so if you look, we got the LEDs in there. And they look nice with the color. They match up well. They're a little brighter, whiter in person than they are on camera, but that's it, guys. Also got the emblem done. Got it painted to match. Real short video, guys, man. Didn't have much to show you, but I can give you the what's up next on it. So like I said, windshield replace, windshield tint. Well, tint all the way around. So probably 20%, 35 on the windshield. Black housing headlights. We might go with the cheap ones. I was gonna get something like $244, but just because I need to get some, I might go cheap. Fog lights, and then we have to wire those up correctly. And then eventually rims and tires, if we can find a good deal, because now those kind of look like they kind of stand out now. So yeah, I got to figure all that out, what we're gonna do, because we still got this going on. So guys, do not fret. No update for the Z this week because we got stuff to order. So I've decided I'm going with the Brian Tooley cam. I don't know yet if it's going to be stage 3 or 4. I got to contact them tomorrow, which is Monday, and I will be making the order this week for the cam. So we put the cam in the engine. That'll be the next video, more than likely, that you will see. Cam in the engine, and then after that, we'll just be piecing together accessories and stuff like that that we need to finish that engine off, as well as the oil pan. And then, so I won't really probably do a video on the engine work for a minute after we do the cam. We'll have to go ahead and get this out of here. So that'll be the video after the cam, more than likely, us moving this, removing that, depending on what deals come. So we may have something for this, maybe another video for that, but the cam more than likely will be the next video, guys. To look out for if you're looking for this swap cam in that engine. That's it, guys. Sorry the video was short. Sorry I didn't have too much stuff to give you, but I wanted to give you something. So there's the truck, man. And yeah. She's paying $975 truck 1 on Copart. There she is. She's looking like old man starter truck right now with those headlights, but we'll remedy it. We'll get it right. So, if it's your first time just dropping in, man, make sure you leave a thumbs up and subscribe. And click the notifications, man. If you ain't getting notifications, click that. You want that. Down below. Peace out.